Hello, my little sweet cheeks. I'm in Florida. Grandma Sunshine. Not so sunshiny today. It is raining cats and dogs, so I thought I would be silly. We like silly, right? My princess, I am with you in times of trouble. You never need to doubt if I am in the midst of your circumstances. No matter how hot the fire seems, the flames will not scorch you, as long as I am present. Just as I was with Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego in their fiery test of faith. I am here now with you, ready to cool you off and keep you calm as we walk through this trial together. You may not see it now, but you, my princess, will someday be like precious silver that has been refined by fire and purified in my presence. Remember, I did not put you in a fire to burn you out. Trust me with your troubled heart and watch me do wonders for you in the midst of the hottest flames. Love your king and your refiner. Psalm 28:7. The Lord is my strength, my shield from every danger. I trust in him with all my heart. He helps me, and my heart is filled with joy. My heart is filled with joy. Her name is Avery, and Jacqueline, and Ben, and Harvey. All the people that I love. They bring me joy. And butterflies and angels. Right? And Stevie Nicks. Yeah, she's my favorite. You'll have to listen to her someday. Maybe you'll be a rock star. I love you, sweetheart. You're my girlie. And we love you. You have a good day. God will protect you. Okay? Bye, sweetie. My little sweet cheeks. You go have some food or bottle or slobber from Harvey. Kisses from your dad. Smooches from your mom. Love you.